Hello, so in this video I will explain you what is a Python set. So set is a very interesting concept in maths. So in maths, a set is a collection of items, but when you write a set you do not duplicate, you do not write the duplicate. So you only write that one element only once. You will not repeat any elements. So also another thing is, because we are talking about the collection of items, it doesn't matter in which order the items have been written. So if you write set of, say, list 816, it will be equivalent to set of 168, because set is a collection. So it's saying that it has inside 1, 6 and 8 as elements, and in both the sets. So that's why conceptually and in Python also we consider them as equivalent. If you have not studied about Python list, please have a look on the videos related to that, and please do not forget to like and subscribe this video, and please have a look on the channel playlist so that you can have you can get to know what are the other videos which I have uploaded on Python, related to Python programming. I will be also uploading more videos on Python machine learning. I already have some videos on machine learning and data science with R. So let's begin with this Python set. So as I already told, the set is a collection of items which should not be repeated. Let's consider first y is equal to -1 minus 100, 5 1 4 minus 100. So it has 1 2 3 4 5 6. So if somebody asks you what is the length of this list y, you would count it and it says that there is the length of 6. So there are 6 element list. This is a 6 element list. Whereas when you create a set out of this list, you won't have 6 elements, because the number of unique elements in this list is only 4, because one is repeating twice. Here is one and here is one. So if you write y is equal to this is a list which is a 6 element list. Whereas when you make a set out of it, so make a set, to make a set you need the function which is known as set, and you write the list name. So set of y, let's store it into s1 and then see what is stored in s1. So if you just hit run, you see that s1 becomes -100 145. The elements inside is -100 145. So 1 is not duplicated twice, it's not written twice here. So keep in mind, whenever you write the set, you just write one element only once. So this is the one thing. Also in Python, it is actually sorting the elements inside. It doesn't matter in which order you write, you can write in any order. Both the sets will be equivalent. As I already told, the set of 816 will be set of equivalent to set of 168. Say consider like this another set, 1 1 minus 100, 5 1 4 minus 100. So you see that 1 is repeated thrice, -100 is repeated twice. So if you count the length of the list of y, you see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. It's the length of y is 7. Whereas if you count the number of elements in a set of y, there is only 4 elements, because 1 is repeating and -100 is also repeating. So write set of y equal to s1 and then see what is coming in s1. So if you see y1, see, write like this y1, and here you write y2. Okay, so if you run this one, 10th line, you see y1 is this. If you write y2 is equal to this and say instead of s1 write s1 here, and here you write s2. Just for the sake of comparison, we are trying to do like this. So we are running this, we then run this, and then what you do is, let's see what happens. So y1, if you see y1, there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 elements. So y1 is a list of 6 elements, y2 is an 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 elements list. So let's see if y1 is equal to y2. False. So y1 is not equal to y2 because it's very obvious they are not equivalent, because also first thing is the length is not equal. Second thing is you need ordering matters. Even if the first element is equal and -100 is present in here also, but the second element is not matching. -100, here is 1. So in list, when we compare, we compare element by element, whereas in set comparison we do not compare element wise. It could be that in one set the first element is equal to the fourth element in the set 2. Let's see if S1 is equal to S2 or not. So that is true. So we have created set S1 from Y1, set S2 from Y2. Y1 and Y2 are not same, but still this S1 and S2 is same. Why? Because the set which consists of the elements, unique elements, they are the same in both cases, whereas the list are not the same. So that is conceptual benefit when you are just interested in finding the unique elements in any list. And then you can do lot of things like union, intersection, difference of sets. So whatever you do in set theory, and you can do n number of things. So that is not I am talking about here, but this is the very conceptual thing that you should remember, that only write the unique elements. Now instead of now defining like this, let's write manually S2 is equal to like this. This is a set. Whenever you write the set, you write it in curly braces, or what you do is use the function set and give the list name. There are two options: either use the function set and give the list, or just inside the curly braces give the list, give the elements values. So S2 is like this. Now if you want to see S1 was this, S2 is this. You want to check if S1 and S2 is same. Yeah, it is still the same. You have created S1 through using the function set. You have created S2 by just manually writing within the curly braces. It doesn't matter, the elements are same in the S1 and S2, they are equal. Even if the you have seen that 1 minus 154, S2, when you print S2, it gets sorted. It doesn't matter, even if it is not sorted, it is still the same. 5 is in the third position, or is in the second position, or whatever the position, it doesn't matter. Let's see if set of list 1 1 1 is equal to set of 1, it is true. Whereas if you write just list of 1 1 1 is equal to 1, it won't be equal, because the left side length is 3, whereas the right hand side length will be 1, and we cannot compare element wise element. Whereas in the set case, the left hand side has only one element, that is 1, and also the right hand side also has one element. Now let's discuss about, say if you just want convert the set into the list. For converting the list into a set, you just write the set of list. Use the set function and write the list inside. If you just want to convert the set into the list, what you use the function, you can just use you use sorted, you get the list. It is for only the numerical variables, it's not for the other character values. But for if you have only inside the set, if you have numeric values like this, defined S2 as this, you write sorted, you get the list. The basic concepts which I was trying to explain here was the concept of set and how is it different from list. So even if the lists are not equal, the set may be equal. That is the basic concept. So in set you do not one thing is you do not repeat the elements, and the second thing is ordering does not matter. So also the third thing is the elements are written inside the curly braces. So that is the most important thing you need to keep in mind. So and there are two ways from which you can write. Either use the set of and write the list name, or you can just write inside the curly braces, give the name, give the values of the numbers, what you are elements, whatever you want to give. So thanks for watching this video, and please have a look on the other videos in my channel, and please do not forget to